so much for joining us so we can celebrate this moment here together today. Are you ready to experience Super Nintendo World? Let's hear it! Oh, you sound as excited as I am to be here today. I am Lauren Pritchard. It is my honor to celebrate with you here today. Now, before we experience the awesomeness of our newest land, I would like to introduce you to the Executive Vice President and General Manager of Universal Studios Hollywood, Scott Strobel!
Thank you all for joining us this morning here at Universal Studios Hollywood. It has been a truly exciting week, and I am so thrilled that so many fans, all of you out there, as well as our guests and press, have been along for this ride, especially today as we prepare for the official opening of Super Nintendo World. Before we get started, I would like to take a moment to thank every single one of our team members. You have poured your hearts and souls into this amazing adventure. The land, as all of you will see momentarily, is extraordinary. And our team is poised to deliver our guests the most memorable experiences possible. I'd also like to welcome the incredible team who worked behind the scenes to bring Super Nintendo World to life. They are the ones that are joining us here this morning. Their insight and creative ingenuity are what made all of this possible. A sincere thanks to Mark Woodbury, our Chairman and CEO of Universal Parks and Resorts. Our Universal Creative Team, led by Thierry Koo and Mike Hightower, the core team who organized, and our on-site team, led by Joe Casey and John Corfino. Big round of applause. We built this land brick by brick, mushroom by mushroom. Thanks to each of them and all of their teams, Universal Studios Hollywood is an even more amazing place to visit. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the creative genius of Nintendo's Shigeru Miyamoto. We are very fortunate to have Mr. Miyamoto join us this week to help officiate the grand opening of Universal Studios Hollywood Super Nintendo World. And now, please provide a very warm welcome to Representative Director and Fellow of Nintendo, Mr. Shigeru Miyamoto.
Good morning. I'm so happy to be here with all of you on this special day. さあ、いよいよやってきました。
We are finally here.
今日はね、ユニバーサルハリウッドのスーパーニンテンドーワールドのオープンの日です。分かってますよね。
As you all know, or I hope you know, today is the official opening of Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood.
さあ、もうすぐ皆さんと一緒にこの土管を通り抜けてキノコ王国にワープします。
Momentarily, we'll all be walking through this pipe and going and warping to the Mushroom Kingdom.
この先にあるリアルなキノコ王国では皆さんが全身でアトラクションやインタラクティブなイベントを体験できるんです。
And on the other side is the real-life Mushroom Kingdom, where you'll be able to experience an interactive and immersive activities and attractions.
そしてこのランドを実現するために本当に長い間一緒に仕事をしていただいたユニバーサルクリエイティブの皆さん、そして任天堂のクリエイティブの皆さん、本当に心から感謝しています。
And I want to reach out to the creative teams at Nintendo and Universal for their long, continuous hard work in making this endeavor a reality.
Thank you very much.
Such an honor to have you here with us today. And speaking of an incredible honor, it is my honor to introduce you to the 3 stars of Super Nintendo World.
Oh my
Princess
God,
Peach,
are you
Mario,
serious?
and Luigi!
Oh, I love her smile. Look at the
it's time to officially open Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Hollywood. So please join us as we power up and count down to a brand new world. Make some noise. 2, come on, let's hear it. 1. Here we go. The stars of Super Nintendo World! Princess Peach, Mario, Luigi, and keep that noise going for Mr. Miyamoto! Oh my word, can you believe it? Another round of applause for all of the stars today! Well, we have our stars, now we just need our players. So friends and guests, we invite you to discover and play at Super Nintendo World, Universal Studios, Hollywood. We are officially open.
queue is absolutely amazing. Wait until we get upstairs in Bowser's Castle. You guys are going to be absolutely blown away how incredible it looks. And as you guys just saw, just before we entered the land, they had Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and Mr. Moto from Nintendo greeting us to come in, and what a great grand opening. Absolutely amazing.
Your challenge is to see if you're alive.
Good luck.
Just so we can build up funds. Oh my god, if we would have been able to connect our knees to the band that they shut down all the music.
Team Mario, right? Woo! Right. You see Team Bowser's here? You can get out. You're not welcome here. I'm just kidding. Everyone's welcome. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. Like I can't even talk. I'm glad you guys are happy. We're all happy. We're happy adults. We're happy adults. Yes. Living our childhoods. Yes. 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 So, we're gonna ignore what's been happening for the past couple weeks. Do we have any like first-time racers here? Yes! Okay, like actual,
First
never
time.
been, first time.
Number
Oh my
one.
gosh, you guys are gonna have so much fun. Literally, the detail, chef's kiss. So chef's kiss. I'm so excited for you guys. I don't want to spoil too much. You guys are gonna have a lot of fun. Just wait for the doors to open. Don't go yet. Just wait for them to open completely. And please walk. Someone fell already. Please walk. Good luck, racers. Have fun.
Universal Golden Cup. Please fill in the available space and watch the monitors as we get your cards ready for the race against Team Bowser. Again, please fill the room as possible. Make room for your fellow racers. Awesome, awesome, thank you. Really appreciate that. Again, please make room for your fellow racers. Make room as much as possible for your fellow racers. The doors will be closing right behind you. Alright, racers. There will be a briefing how to steer, throw, and score points while you race the finish line. Again, may direct your eyes to the monitor, please, right behind you. The big monitor screen right next to you. Once again, it'll be a return on store, steer, throw, and score coins to win that Universal Golden Cup. before you head down, be sure to pick up your hat, devices, and everything before you head downstairs, okay? Once again, be sure to pick up your hat before you head downstairs, okay? Alright, doors are opening right now. Are you excited? Yeah! Alright, what do you do now? Go, go, go!
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, our hat.
No, really?
Yeah, they're hot tea. So, man, how did you on that side?
Yeah. Gotcha.